Place the cursor near one of the square handles on the side or corner until it changes to a two-ended arrow. Click and drag to enlarge or shrink the text. Click the Finish button on the construction toolbar to keep the changed size. Click the Undo button on the Quick Access toolbar at the top of the window. Select the annotation again if necessary. Move the cursor until it turns to a four-ended arrow cross. Click and drag to move the annotation to a new location. Move the cursor to a corner of the annotation until it changes to a curved arrow. Click and drag to rotate the annotation to a new angle. Place the cursor near the middle until it shows as an eye insertion symbol. Click and edit the text to a different street name. To discard the edits, click the Cancel button on the construction toolbar.